Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm J-Ben Postal, and today at the grill we're making a premium version of the Wendy's Baconator burger using the most incredible homemade bacon. And just like always, I'm going to put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this recipe. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, consider subscribing for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the cook. So today is all about bacon, and we just finished making some smoky homemade maple bacon, and it's phenomenal. And that's why today we're gonna be making a premium version of the Wendy's Baconator burger. So to get started with this recipe, we're first of all gonna need some ground beef. This is some 80/20 Black Angus ground beef, as well as, again, we have our homemade bacon. And so the first thing that we need to do is take some of our ground beef, and we're gonna form 2 balls. And we want these balls of meat to be about the size of a small baseball. Okay, so when we have both of our balls formed about the same size, we're gonna begin to press them down, and we wanna shape these into squares because, as we all know, Wendy's burgers are squares, they're not circles. And so we're gonna do our best just to form those squares. All right, there we go. We got our first square burger. It's about a 1/4 inch thick or so. And again, we're gonna do the same to the next ball. Gonna press that down, then just begin to form that square shape. All right, there we go. And so with our burgers all prepared, let's go ahead and get our griddle set up on the Weber Kettle. So to set up our grill today, I removed the water reservoir from the Sloan Sear just to give a little more surface area for cooking. And then I placed the dripping griddle on top, cooking around a medium heat. And we're gonna let this preheat for just a couple minutes before we toast our buns. So with our griddle warmed up, let's go ahead and begin toasting our buns. There we go, our buns are toasted. And so the next thing I'm gonna do is take some cooking spray. I'll give the pan a quick spray, and then we're gonna place on about 6 strips of bacon. All right, our bacon is done. Let's get it off the grill. All right, so now we're just gonna season our burger patties. Then we're gonna get them onto this griddle. After about 3 or 4 minutes, these burgers are ready to flip, so let's go ahead and do that. Some nice color. And then to this, I'm gonna place some cheese on here. So you can see that after a couple minutes, this cheese is starting to melt, so let's pull it off the grill and onto our clean cutting board. Guys, this smells great already, but let's go ahead and start building this burger. So we're gonna take our toasted buns, and I'm gonna place one of the patties down below on top. Then we're gonna put a layer of this bacon onto the bottom patty. Then we'll grab our second patty and place that on top. Again, we're gonna rip this one in half and place it on top. Oh, why not? Let's add one more there. You can never go wrong with too much bacon, right? So let's go ahead and put some condiment on. Today we're just using some mayonnaise. Put that on there. And then some ketchup. And then we'll place that on top and just crown this burger. Oh, look at that. Now this is a Baconator burger, and I can't wait for the taste test. All right, so with our Baconator burger all put together, it looks gorgeous. You can see all of those different layers from the patty to the cheese and that bacon, all just layered perfectly. So let's slice it open and go for the taste test. Oh, look at that. That's amazing. Here we go. It's a big bite, but I'm gonna do it. Guys, this burger is unreal. You can taste all of those flavors from that homemade bacon to the cheese and that beef. Guys, I'm telling you, this might actually be my favorite burger I've made all summer long. And so if you've never made a Baconator burger like this before, go for it. You'll be in for a treat. It's smoky, it's cheesy, it's full of bacon. Guys, this Baconator burger is absolutely delicious. Hey, if you want to see more barbecue videos just like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.